Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious jelly toffee. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and 1/2 cup of light corn syrup. Don't forget 1/2 cup of unsalted butter and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. For the jelly layer, have about 1 cup of your preferred fruit jelly ready. Finally, prepare a 9 by 13-inch baking pan by lining it with parchment paper. Now, let's create that perfect toffee base. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine the sugar, water, and corn syrup. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring gently until all the sugar has fully dissolved. Once dissolved, insert a candy thermometer and continue cooking without stirring until the mixture reaches exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Promptly remove the pan from the heat and quickly stir in the 1/2 cup of butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until smooth. With your toffee base ready, it's time for the delightful jelly layer. Carefully pour the hot toffee mixture evenly into your prepared 9 by 13-inch baking pan. Let it cool and set for approximately 15 minutes. It should still be slightly warm but firm enough to hold the jelly. While it cools, gently warm your 1 cup of fruit jelly in a small saucepan or microwave until it's easily spreadable. Then, carefully spread this warm jelly over the slightly set toffee layer. Almost there, to ensure your jelly toffee sets perfectly, refrigerate the entire pan for at least 2 hours. This chilling time is crucial for a firm, crisp texture. Once completely firm, carefully lift the toffee out of the pan using the parchment paper. You can then break it into irregular, rustic pieces or use a sharp knife to cut it into neat, bite-sized squares. Store your homemade jelly toffee in an airtight container at room temperature for optimal freshness. Enjoy your sweet creation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.